Type Bing image create in any browser. Select this. Click on Join and Create. Then click on Sign in with a personal account. Create a Microsoft account or sign in if you already have one. Describe what you will like to create in the box. You can always use my idea. You can pause the video if it's too fast or watch again. And here's the result. You can edit the prompt to suit the idea in your head. Pause or watch the video over again if it's too fast. Here's another result. You can click on Create to generate more options. You can edit further. I want to change the image to light-skinned lady. Here's the result. I want to edit further and change the settings to a cake shop. You can do this by editing the prompt in the box. I want to edit the same prompt to a tailor shop. It's still same procedure. Keep editing the prompt or you can write your own from the beginning. Here is the result. Bing image creation is very easy to use. Follow me for more tutorials like this.